That definitely brought the old look back, and I like that. Okay, we got all the dirt and stuff out of it. There's about 100 little tacks in this thing, so I'm gonna have to try to take those out and make it a good clean surface where we can get our next stuff going around inside. So I'm not gonna bore you taking nails out. So we'll end this video, then we'll start a new video, part 2. And I need to make this part. So, and I'll redo that. Once I get this on, I'll make sure that's down a little better. There it is. Hope you guys enjoy. So this is what I got done on my 1800s coffin. I am going to, the railroad spike cross I made, I'm going to take and weld me a bolt on the back of that, drill me a hole, and stick it on top of that. I have these coffin keys. But I only got 2. So I'll eventually end up making some custom ones to fit on this. I need 10 altogether. I need 9 altogether. Then I'll custom make that. Then that'll be on the next video. I'll make all that.